Good morning everyone. My name is Bhargavi. I came here to explain about the chapter name is circle. What do you mean by a circle? A circle is nothing but a number of points joined to have at the fixed length from the center is called a circle. See that we have a number of points gathered which have an equal distance towards the center. Wherever you have drawn, we have an equal distance towards the center. Number of points joined, infinity points joined to form a circle. This is what a circle. The point which is at the center is called the center of the circle. From the center to the arc of the circle is nothing but a radius. What is this called? Radius. The longest line which is present in the circle is called a diameter. The line which touches the two arcs of the line segment which touches any 2 points of the circle, it is nothing but a chord. This is what about the circle you have studied in the previous classes. Now, let us learn about the few properties of the line. You have known in the previous classes of class 6 and 7 and 8 of respective line segments. When we have two lines, when two lines coincide with each other, these are called coincide lines. When two lines which are parallel, in a regular life we see a number 11, benches are parallel. So these are called parallel lines or non-intersecting lines. These lines are not intersecting. So these are called non-intersecting lines. When the parallel lines, when two lines are intersecting each other like this, it is called as intersecting lines. What are these called? Intersecting lines. When one line stands on another line, it is called a perpendicular line. This is a 90 degrees. It is called a perpendicular. Taking these in the circles, let us prove the different parts of how we find the lines are related to the circles and how the points are related to the circles. Now, we have taken 3 circles. Now, let us take 3 lines. We have taken the line. If the line is out of the circle, what does we call? Is they intersecting each other? When two objects or two lines intersect each other, then they are called intersecting. Are they intersecting each other? No, these two are not intersecting. When you see this, it is intersecting. Is it intersecting? Now come to here. At how many points does it intersecting? At the 2 points. Is it right? Now here, when you observe this one, you can find here the point of intersect on 2 points. Here at 1 point. Here it is not intersecting. The line which towards the circle which is not joining are called not intersecting lines. What is this called? Not intersecting points. Not intersecting lines. The line which touches the circle at 1 point is called a tangent. What does it call? Tangent. The circle which touches with one line at 1 point, it is nothing but a tangent. If a line comes inside, it moves little bit forward. See here, first the line is out of the circle. The second one is touching towards the circle. Third part is getting inside the circle. When it getting inside the circle, it is touching 2 points. That means you can find out one more 2 points, name it as A and B. Where AB are called a chord and PAQ are called a secant. The line which gets inside is called a secant. What does it call? Understood, children? Now let us repeat it again. We have a circle here. We have a line here. These two are not intersecting each other. So it is called not intersecting. The circle is not related to the line. Come to here. The circle touches towards the line at 1 point is called a tangent. The point of contact towards the circle and the line is called a what we call? We call it as a tangent. When the line gets inside the circle, it touches 2 points, then it is called a secant. This is how the line is related to the circle. Now, let us know the next part of the circle. How the point is related to the circle. How the points are related? Let us see. Let us learn in this lesson, circles chapter, we are going to learn about the tangents, different types of tangents present in this circle lesson. By the next lesson, we learn about the sequence. Now come to here, let us learn about the tangents. How many tangents can you draw at one place? Let us see. 1, 2. If I am joining many lines on this, is it called a tangent? Is it touching circle to the one of the point? This is not called a tangent. This is not called a tangent. When you come at here, from one point, how many tangents can we draw? Many points. Is it right? From one point we can draw many tangents. When it is at the edge. When the point is inside the circle, you can't have any tangents. Is it right? You can find any tangents like this? Touching at the edge of the circle to the line? No. Can you find any point touching to the circle and the line? No, you can not find any tangents over in this. Is there any tangent? No tangents. How many tangents are there? No tangents are presented here. Come to the next one. Then there is a one point contact to the edge. Then how many tangents can it have? How many tangents can it have? Infinity tangents can have. Come to when the point is outside. When the point is outside, how many tangents can you draw? How many tangents can you draw? A, B. So, OA is one tangent, OB is one tangent. When the point is outside the circle, you can draw two tangents. How many tangents? From this, what do you have noticed? Stand up yourself. When the point is inside the circle, how many tangents can you find? No tangents. Stand up yourself. Please sit down. When the tangents is outside, how many tangents can you form? Infinite tangents. When the point is on the circle, how many tangents can you have? Two tangents. Now I want to ask you the question. Are these the remaining all are tangents? Stand up yourself, Kiran. Are all are tangents what I drawn? What I drawn? No. Why? How many tangents are there? Infinity. What I said, you are saying that. Find out this. How many tangents can you draw? How many tangents can you draw for one circle? One. But I said many, you are not answering. Okay. How many tangents can you draw? Only one tangent. Even though many lines are there, only one tangent we can draw towards the point. Understood everyone? This is not an infinity. Many of them will say the answer as an infinity. From one point you can have only one tangent. Tangent means coming to the edge of the line. For one circle, how many tangents can you draw? For one point you can draw one tangent. For one circle, many tangents you can draw. For example, this is one tangent. 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 You can have an infinity tangents over here. Did you understood? For one circle, one line if it touches, it has only one tangent. But now for one circle it has many tangents. But for one point it has only one tangent. Come to the next part of it. Let us draw on the next one.